Hello everyone, my name is Kimmeng Lim and I am an industrial engineering student. In this video, I will show you how to solve static exercise with a software called PermaLearn. So at first, you need to browse it on the internet by typing PermaLearn. The website is free, so anyone can just go to internet and try it for free. So click on the first link, which get you to this platform, which is the platform of our software. So I already pick one statics exercise in order to apply to this website, which is determines the internal normal force, shear force, and moments at point C. So this is our diagram, which we have a member A, one member which is A to B, and we need to find the internal force and the normal force, shear force, and moment at C. So first thing first, the default grid size is 10 by 10, which is okay to our exercise because our exercise, the stick is only 6 meters long. So let's say the beginning coordinate is at X, which is 0, and you want it to our member to go to the right horizontally, so just add 6, and the units is already meters. There we have our members. Nextly, we can add our support like our diagram. The joint A is a roller support and joint B is a pin support. So you can add the support in the software. First, click on the joint coordinate. Our joint A is at 0. And we already added. At joint B is 6 meters, which is pin. Okay, we already added. Nextly, we need to, in our diagram, we need to add the linearly force. We start from 6 kilonewtons and ends at joint B, which is 0. So there's a linearly loads. At first, you need to click on the members that you want to put it on, the loads on. So, and there's a type of load which you need to click it because our loads is vertically because it pushed down on the sticks. So you need to click vertical loads. And the begin loads, which is 6 kilonewtons. And the end load, which is 0. So you don't need to add anything, just need to add 6. However, as you see, the arrows is pointing up, which means the force is gonna go display as it's going up. So, however, our diagram, the force is pushing on the stick, so you need to add negative in order for it to go opposite ways. Okay, let's add it. I think we got everything done. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the solution manuals to see the our solutions. You can display anything. We have normal force, shear force, and moments that we needed. So normal force, as the diagram is to find it at C. So C is about 3 meters. It is between joint A and B. So it's from A to C is 3 meters. So you need to just put your mouse on 3, that is number 3 meters. So the answer shown as 0. So our normal force is 0 kilonewtons. And for our shear force, you can just move your mouse to the 3 to the joint C, to the C point C. So our I forgot to click display. So our shear force is minus 1.5 kilonewtons. And you can also display the moments. So the moment diagram is show the sticks. So our moment is 13.5 kilonewtons per meters. So let's compare our answer to the solution manuals. So here's the solution manuals. You can compare. Oh, let's see. At the moment, so as you can see on my mouse, the normal force is 0, which is correct to the here zeros, and for the shear force is minus 1.5. So let's replay the shear force. It's minus 1.5. And lastly, the moment, which is 13.5. Let's display our moments. It is 13.5 as the solution manual said. So that is it. The website is really easy to use and it is user friendly. So you just need a static exercise, apply the figure, draw the diagrams, and there you will get your solutions. Thank you for watching these videos.